Hey, have you noticed that twisted beam over there? It's like someone tried to sculpt it into a pretzel.
Ah yes, that's a classic case of welding distortion. It can turn even the straightest of structures into a warped mess if not properly controlled.
Welding distortion. I've never heard of that before. What exactly is it?
Welding distortion refers to the undesirable deformations or changes in the shape and size of a welded component caused by the extreme heat and cooling cycles during the welding process.
So, how do you prevent that from happening? It seems like a major issue, especially in critical applications.
There are several techniques used to control welding distortion. Some common methods include proper joint design, using specific welding sequences, employing preheating and post-heating techniques, and even adding stress-relieving operations.
I see. It sounds like a complex problem with multiple solutions. Can you give me an example of how you'd approach it in a practical situation?
Sure, let's take the case of welding a thick plate. We'd start by preheating the entire plate to a specific temperature to minimize the temperature gradient during welding. Then, we'd follow a specific welding sequence, alternating between sides, to balance out the residual stresses.
Wow, I had no idea welding involved so much science and technique to control distortion. It's like a delicate dance between heat, metal, and precision.